Hey guys, and today we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Qiyi clock. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so here's the box. It's a very premium box, okay? And I've never touched a clock before, so if I don't know anything, then don't judge me. Because I've never touched a clock, never solved one. I mean, if you didn't touch it, why? How could he solve it? And this box does not want to come out. Come on. Okay, finally. Ooh, that honestly looks like, the first glance, it looks like white chocolate. Anyways, let's take it out and let's put it just right over here. Here's a stand. Then the instructions, how to solve it, which I'll be needing because I don't know how to solve, and there's some extra cards inside, so clock and all this stuff. It's just some photographs, and yeah, so let's put that over there. Oh my god, it's honestly, I was not expecting this heavy, but I guess it's like it. Okay, I don't know what to say, guys. Let's do some turns. I don't know. Oh my god, this is magnetic as well. That just feels so satisfying to do. Okay, so let's do something. Okay, there's also magnets in here. So there's a magnet in each click. Honestly, I like the black side more rather than the white side. So let's do something, I guess. Let's put this pin down, and so these 4 done and there's only 1 done. Okay. About these 2, as I think these 2 pins will turn. Yeah. And then on the back, these 6. Okay. So whenever it's up, all of the ones around it turn. Whenever it's down, it's that one only that turns. Okay, and then these corners always match. I don't know if they're called corners, but I think they're called corners. So yeah, these corners always match. So it's on clockwise, so yeah. Let's scramble it, I guess. Okay, so that looks pretty scrambled to me. And let's see if I can solve it. So first of all, I think maybe I'd go for I don't know. Maybe I'd go for the plus in the middle. So how do I do this? So I think I'll just do one side first. So this one, okay, so these 2 are already matching, so there we go, there's on the clockwise. Oh, actually these 3. Did I even scramble it? Anyways, so how do I bring this up without touching any of these? What if I just put all of these down? No. And match this with this, put this one up, and then bring it all back up. Oh yeah, that works. So then if I match all of these with that, and bring all of them up. Okay, there we go, we got the plus down. That's nice. So on the back side, what would I do? So same thing, I think if I just turn with, yeah, so whenever it's up, that's the dial I want to turn. Okay, so I want to match this guy with this, then turn that up, match it with that thing, and then what do I do? And turn this one up, and then they'll all match, I guess. Okay, let's put them all down, I guess. So these three are now facing up. All of them are back. Okay. These three now need to face that. So no, I cannot move. Okay, no, that'll mess with that. So these three. So if I just do, there we go, and then bring this one up. There we go. Nothing messed up. All right. So now this one only. So what if I just turn this there and then put all of them up and then face them up. Ooh, there we go. Plus, and then the plus. That's nice. Honestly, this feels so satisfying. You can just do this all day. Anyways, let's see what I can do. So now I have to keep the pin down and just get this one up. And this one's also, no, that messes that up. Oh, no, I messed up. So let's put all of them down. No. Let's just put all of them up and match it there. So the plus is still straight. Now, how do I do the corners? Should I get about this? Because that won't get messed up, would it? I don't know, but let's try to do one side at least. So now these two are matching, so put these two down and put that there. Oh no, the plus is messed up. I don't know, let's try to just match it with others and see what happens. There we go, one side. Oh god. Okay, so let's just get that plus back in. Because so let's put this pin down. No. That plus will get messed up. So what can I do? So that one can go down. No, but then that'll mess with that. No. So these three can go down. And so these three are already matching. So if I just match that there, and then put that on the bottom, and put 4 of these. Okay, finally we got the plus back. And let's see if I can do the corners. So if you've never seen a clock, the basic goal is to point all of these to the top where the red marking is. So yeah, let's see, if I turn this one, the plus will get messed up. Any of these pins, the plus will get messed up here. What can I do to do that? Because that will face up, but then these plus will get messed up. I think I got an idea. What if I just match all of these with the corners? I put all of them up, and then there we go. Wow, none of this is matched. Oh my god, I got it. So all you have to do is just match all of these with the corner. And you can do that by putting this pin down so that this corner is not moving. When you turn this dial, match it, you put this pin up, you match it with the top again. So then this one, so I can put these two down, I guess. No, but then this one, no. Yeah. And then this one down. Did you solve it? Yes! Let's go! I solved it. So it took me kind of 10 minutes to solve, but it was kind of fun process, honestly. Mostly because this is so satisfying, because and this turning is very, very smooth on this, like really, really smooth. Like you instantly feel the click whenever you turn it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like button, subscribe to my channel, and consider checking out these 2 videos. And click over here to subscribe. I'll see you guys all next time. Wait. Before you guys go, I just want to answer a quick question. Why did I upload this video on Thursday? Because, why? Well, mostly because it's my birthday. So yeah, anyways, let's just end this video. Bye.